warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Maduri Diana Putri. My study number is 11. I'm from the Agribusiness Study Program, Faculty of Agriculture, University of Trunojoyo, Madura. Here, I would like to present the result of a summary of scientific paper entitled The Application of Permaculture Principle to Overcome the Problem of Coastal Communities in the Era of the COVID-19 Pandemic. Madura Island is an island located in the northeast of Java Island. Most Maduris make a living as fishermen to make ends meet. One of them is the community of Chunganyar Pesisir Village located in Socah District, Bangkalan Regency. Chunganyar Pesisir Village is known for its abundant fish catches. However, the COVID-19 pandemic caused the economic condition of coastal Chunganyar people to experience a decrease in income that caused fish consumer in the market to decrease. So that makes the coastal Chunganyar communities have difficulty in terms of meeting the needs. Another problem lies in the lack of farmer profession due to land limitation. The source and types of data obtained came from interview with some coastal Chunganyar communities that were equipped with literature search and several scientific journals. Based on the result of the interview, it can be known that the income of the fishermen in the coastal Chunganyar region since the COVID-19 pandemic has decreased by 50%. In this problem, the application of permaculture is one of the solutions that can overcome economic problem in the coastal Chunganyar community. Permaculture is a science related to nature to meet human needs and can improve the management of ecosystems that are beneficial to the surrounding community. The application can be done by utilizing technology and permaculture principles such as the principle of capture and save energy, utilizing the edges of house and utilizing marginal land and developing ecotourism. The principle of capturing and storing energy is a principle related to how to capture and store energy by utilizing the surrounding environment. This principle aims to maintain the ecosystem so that it can realize a sustainable agriculture system in the long term. With this principle, coastal Chunganyar people are expected to be able to understand the concept of permaculture. For example, applying the principle of catching energy different from raindrops that are then used as watering a plant. The next principle is to make use of minimal lands to make productive planting land. For example, by designing the edge of the house by planting various plants that can be used to meet the needs, or even by designing pond on the rooftop. Ecotourism development is also a solution that can improve the welfare of coastal Chunganyar people. Ecotourism is an important sector to be able to increase development. In developing ecotourism, the role of various relevant parties such as the government, non-governmental organization, and local communities is needed. Ecotourism development has various advantages that can be used as a facility that can be enjoyed by tourists and local people, for example by planting mangrove trees around the coast. The management and application of ecotourism is expected to be an attraction for tourists in order to make a profit in various aspects. The distribution of the concept zone of permaculture application in Chunganyar Village, Socah District, Bangkalan Regency consists of 4 parts. In Zone 0, began by creating an environmentally friendly design concept. In Zone 1, will be done utilizing of the edge of the house by making a small garden on the rooftop. Zone 2 is more focused on irrigation system and utilizing of natural fertilizer. In Zone 3, the creation of an ecotourism area of mangrove forest that can attract tourists. The influence of the implementation of this permaculture principle can improve welfare, can protect the culture of the community and can understand and utilize the planting land by using the concept of permaculture. The application of permaculture makes Chunganyar people can understand how important the relationship between human and nature, so that coastal communities can have a responsibility in managing nature well. Well, that's all I can explain about the summary of scientific paper themed permaculture. More or less, I apologize. Thank you all. See you. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.